Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on TikTok. It is very simple, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and head over to your TikTok app, then go to your profile in the bottom right corner. Once you're here, you want to click on the three lines in the top right and click on Settings and Privacy. Once you're here, you want to go ahead and select Manage Account at the very top of the screen, and here you can select Email. Once you've done this, you have to put in your email address that you have right now, and then they'll send you a 6-digit code, and you have to verify it. Once you verify it, you will then be able to change your email address associated with the TikTok. However, you do need the email associated right now with your TikTok to actually change it. But once you get the code put in, you can then change your email address. And it's that simple. So I hope this video did help you. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subs by the end of the year, and I cannot do it without your help. I just want to say thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.